Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. So in this video I will explain you the complete offers which I am providing behalf of the Engineers Day. Okay, so this September 15th we are celebrating the Engineers Day. So on the behalf of the Engineers Day we are providing huge discounts on our courses related to STAAD Pro, ETABS as well as the SAP courses. First of all, happy advanced Engineers Day to all my subscribers and your families and friends. Okay. Behalf of Engineers Day, we are providing huge discounts on complete detailed courses like STAAD Pro, ETABS, SAP 2000 courses. The complete installation process is also updated in our application, Civil Engineering Shravan application. Download our application. The download link is available in the below description of this video, and I will provide you the download link option also. And you can directly download the application from the Google Play Store. Type Civil Engineering Shravan application app. So in that particular application, I was provided the courses like this, complete details about the STAAD Pro, ETABS and SAP 2000 courses from the starting to ending point. So I was uploaded approximately 30 plus high quality videos with good content and different types of the exercises which I am providing for that particular course. So most of the students are enrolled to the particular course. The people, those who are already enrolled to my course, please see the complete installation process I was uploaded in the course. So you can once watch the complete installation steps in the course itself. It will available in the starting folder. Okay, so behalf of Engineers Day, I am providing approximately 82% discount on all the courses which is related to STAAD Pro software course, ETABS software course as well as the SAP 2000 software course and 2-in-1 courses and 3-in-1 courses. The complete individual course will be having 6 months validity with 1500 rupees is the enrollment fee, and for the 2-in-1 course which is the combination of STAAD and ETABS which is having 2500 rupees with 1 year validity, and for the 3-in-1 course the course is valid up to 1 year with complete installation process with complete STAAD, ETABS as well as the SAP courses. This particular course offer will be valid from the 14th of this month evening session to 16th of this month 11:59 p.m. Okay, this is the only the 2.5 days I am providing the offer for this particular courses. The people, those who are really want to become the professional in your particular structural designing engineering, this is right time for you for increasing your skills regarding the structural designing engineering. Okay, so the complete courses are under offer now. You can enroll to the particular course based on your interest. If you found any kind of the difficulties or queries regarding the course, please once ping me to my WhatsApp which is available in the screen or below description of this video also. My mobile number is available. Please once check the complete course which is available in the application. Download our application Civil Engineering Shravan from the Google Play Store. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.